So now we'll go into the workflow section and you'll see there's preset and automation. Essentially, an automation is your copy, transcode, and report presets all chained together. And I'll show you how that works here in a second. And after you chain them together, you can start a job just like you would normally. And it's going to do every operation that you put in that automation from start to finish without any user interaction. So we'll be looking at all that here in a second. So just clicking on automation where we already are. And you can see I've already got a few made. I'm going to be making one from scratch here in a little bit. But for now, let's just click on this BCam workflow. And you can see this is the automation. This is what we call automation pipelines. So this is the full pipeline, and then each of these branches is what we call a pipeline path. So to start, you have your BCam ingest. So this is going to be a copy job denoted by this icon here in the upper right. And you can see transcode has a different icon, just so you can stay organized with which of these little tokens is which. And you can see that BCam ingest is going to be the starting point. So with some queue automation we have, such as starting a job as soon as an item enters the queue, and even adding a card that you plug in automatically to the queue as soon as it's recognized by Finder, you can pretty much set this up to just, you plug in your card after you pull it from the camera, and all of this is going to happen automatically. And I'll be showing that here in a second. So you've got your BCam ingest, and then from that, it's going to do a cascading copy to a BCam backup. And at the same time, it's going to do this transcode that is titled proxy uploads. And it's going to be transcoding it to H.265 here. And then it's going to be copying it to this bucket titled for edit. And then from the BCam backup, it's just going to do a higher res transcode. And you can see you can edit all of these directly in this view. To do that, you just click on the name. So BCam backup, high res. You notice high res is actually set to H.265. So I'm going to go to video and change that to ProRes. All right, so I'll be showing how to set one of these up here in a second, but that gives you a good idea of what it actually looks like. And when I drag some footage in here, oh, got to turn the preset on first, and click start. And you'll see all this is going to appear in the right, and these jobs are just going to start running automatically.